Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a product hunt thumbnail on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. And in the animated design section you can find the product hunt thumbnail option, and new, select a template, and click to the use this template button, and you can edit this template. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. New, if you want to add images to your project, click to the photo option at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search photos and you can upload images from your device. If you want to add text to your project, click to the text button, write your text, and you can select the font type, and you can edit the size of your text. In the object section you can find different objects, and just select one, and you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animation which you can add to your project, and the music section you can find music and for example, click to the summer section, and if you want to add the song, just click to the plus icon, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.